Hey guys, welcome back to Ohio Drone Repair. My name is Ethan. Today we're going to be reviewing the brand new DJI M4t. Let's jump right into it. Now you're probably wondering what comes in the box. You're going to get the drone, the RC Plus controller. You're going to get 4 batteries, as this right here, and they just go in the back. Each battery has 47 minutes of flight time. You're also going to get an extra carrying case, like the one over here, and then you're going to get extra props and accessories like that too. And then you're also going to have the battery station that charges all the 4 batteries. So the DJI M4t is the little brother of the DJI M30t. The M4t is supposed to be a lot more compact, more rugged as well. It's going to have the same thermal camera as the 30t. Now, the question is, what's the difference between both of them? Now, the DJI M4t is mostly designed for industrial mapping. You can also use it for thermal as well, for deer recovery, anything like that. The 30t is mostly used for firefighters, first responders, as it's more powerful and more rugged as well. So it'll perform better in worse weather. The M4t has a thermal camera for heat detection. It also has an RTK for mapping as well. And then it also has just a basic camera as well. So if you want to do any cinematography, cinematic videos like that, you have the capability as well. The flight time on the M4t is 47 minutes. Very lightweight as well. You can carry this on the go, as for the 30t it's a lot heavier, so it's not as portable than this drone right here. The remote is going to have a 70-inch video screen. It is also touchscreen as well, so you're going to have better controls options on here as well when flying your aircraft. The IP rating on this drone is IP54, so the M30t is IP55. The zoom capability is 112 times. They've packed a ton in this drone, especially for the price. It's around $9,500 compared to the 30t, which is around $14,000 for the package. They have nailed this drone. I think it's going to be a great seller for somebody looking for something so small but has a ton of features. If you guys have any questions or would like to place an order with us, please go to ohiodronerepair.com and we'd be glad to help you guys. Thank you so much.